皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to talk about てみる grammar. It is used when you want to say something like try doing something and see what happens. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's start learning about how to use てみる. The formation of this is verb て form plus 見る. And that means try doing something and see. And it's an experiment. For example, 日本のラーメンを食べてみる。I try Japanese ramen and see if I like it or not. Alright, let's look at more example sentences. これは私が作ったの。食べてみて。これは私が作ったの。食べてみて。これは私が作ったの。I made this. 食べてみて。I let you try it or try eating it. Right, so 食べて is a て form of 食べる. Eat. And then you add 見て at the end. Next example sentence. もう一度彼と話してみたら。もう一度彼と話してみたら。So the whole sentence means, why don't you try to talk to him again and see what happens? Next example sentence. もう少し考えてみるよ。もう少し考えてみるよ。I'll think about it more and see if I come up with a good idea. It doesn't really say that, but it actually means that. Nuance. もう少し. That means little more. 考えてみるよ. Try to think. Right, so もう少し考えてみるよ. I'll think about it more. Next example sentence. ボールどこかな? もう少し探してみる. ボールどこかな? もう少し探してみる. I wonder where the ball went. That's the ball どこかな means. And then もう少し that means a little more. 探してみる. I'll try to find it. ボールどこかなもう少し探してみる. I wonder where the ball went. I'll try to find it a little more. Alright. Now I'm going to talk about a phrase て form plus mitai. That means want to try doing something and see if I like it. Or for example, if I want to say 日本に行きたい. I want to go to Japan. You can say that. What's the difference between that and て form plus 見たい? 日本に行ってみたい. What's the difference? Well, 日本に行きたい. That means simply want to go to Japan. However, 日本に行ってみたい. That means not sure what it's like. So you've never been to Japan. So I want to experience Japan for the first time. So that's what it actually means. There's a nuance that you haven't experienced it before, so it's like an experiment for you. So if I want to say I want to go to Japan again next year, can I say it like this? 来年もまた日本に行ってみたい. Is it natural? What do you think? Well, it's actually not really natural because just like I said, 行ってみたい kind of tells you that you probably never experienced Japan before. But you can say like this. So, 前は東京に行ったけど、次は大阪に行ってみたい。前は東京に行ったけど、次は大阪に行ってみたい。I went to Tokyo before, so I want to go to Osaka next. So, 大阪に行ってみたい. You've never been to Osaka before, so I want to try it out. next time. Right, so if you want to say, I want to go to Japan again next year, you'd want to say, 来年もまた日本に行きたい。行ってみたい doesn't fit in this context very well. For example, 納豆を食べてみてください。Please try 納豆。Or please try eating 納豆。And then what if I don't want to? What can I say? Can I say, 食べてみたくないです。Can I say this? Actually, you cannot. It sounds very awkward, or just no one say it like that. You should just say, いいえ、食べたくないです。No, I don't want to. So, you usually don't make てみる into a negative sentence. Okay, let's look at more example sentences. もう少し大きな声で言ってみてください。もう少し大きな声で言ってみてください。Please try to say it a little louder. So 大きな声 that means bigger voice. So louder voice. もう少し大きな声で言ってみてください。That means please try to say it a little louder. Next. 彼女に何回も電話してみましたが、電話に出ません。彼女に何回も電話してみましたが、電話に出ません。I tried to call her many times, but she doesn't pick up her phone. 彼女に to her 何回も that means many times 電話してみた。電話してみました。means try to call her. But 電話に出ません。She doesn't take her phone call. Alright, next let's look at real life example sentence from Twitter. This person is trying this drink. It's called Gogo no Kocha. That's a very famous tea brand in Japan. And I would say it's pretty good brand. However, it says grapes. So it's a grape flavored tea. And I think that's pretty weird, in my opinion. But this is the first time for this person to try it out. He or she says, おすすめされたので買ってみた。おすすめされたので買ってみた。おすすめ that means recommendation. So someone recommended her 買ってみた。So tried buying it. So it means someone recommended me this, so I bought it to see if I like it. That sounds pretty interesting, but I hope this person liked it. Alright, today's quiz. This time it's a little different. Change those sentences to use てみる。Number 1. これを使います。Change this sentence so that you mean you try using this. Okay? Number 2. いつかドイツに行きたい。Number 3. 今度彼と会ってください。I'll leave the example answers in the description. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。